Today we are making beef buns. I'm using 1 kilogram of flour. Now let's get the yeast water ready. First, pour the yeast into the bowl. Pour in warm water. Stir until well combined. Add it to the flour. Add a spoon of sugar. Sugar can grow the dough and make it fluffy. Pour in 500 grams of water. Pour the water little by little as you knead the dough, not all at once. Rice. Add 2 big spoons of oil. Add 2 big spoons of soy sauce. 1 big spoon of peanut oil. 1 tablespoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of MSG. 1 tablespoon of 5 spicy powder. 5 gram mixed ginger. 20 gram chopped onion. Mix well. Add half a bowl of water. Add the water in 3 portions. Stirring as you go. Now the beef filling is done, like this. After 1 hour, the dough has fermented and puffed up nicely. To make it ferment faster, I put it in a sunny spot. The words help this rise better. This is fermented dough. It has doubled in size. Now take it out and put it on the board to keep kneading. Knead it until the dough becomes smooth and elastic. Split the dough into 2 pieces. Roll it into a log. Cut into small pieces. Flatten each piece. Roll the dough into wrappers. Didn't catch that? Let's slow it down. To prevent the filling from spilling out, you can start by adding less filling. Make sure to pinch each fold firmly. Don't worry if you don't get it right the first time. Keep trying and you will get it. Didn't catch that? Let's slow it down. Steam over low heat for 20 minutes after the water boils. Time's up! Turn off the heat. Don't rush to lift the lid. Wait for 3 minutes. This keeps the bun fluffy and prevents them from shrinking, giving a better texture. They look amazing! Let's take a look inside.